Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Paramount Plus and Peacock. Both of these platforms are competing for your attention and your subscription money with movies, TV shows, live sports and exclusive originals. But here's the real question, which one actually gives you the best value? Let's get started. With Paramount Plus, this service is owned by Paramount Global and is designed as a hybrid streaming platform, meaning it blends traditional TV with modern streaming. It pulls content from networks like CBS, Nickelodeon, MTV and Comedy Central, while also offering blockbuster movies and exclusive originals. What really sets Paramount Plus apart is that it doesn't just focus on on-demand content. It also includes TV, live TV, news, and major sports events, making it feel closer to a cable replacement than a typical streaming app. Now let's talk about Peacock. Peacock is owned by NBC Universal, and its biggest strength is its deep connection to NBC's massive content library. That means you get access to a ton of recognizable shows, movies, and reality TV. Peacock leans more toward entertainment and binge-worthy content, especially comedy, reality shows, and popular franchises. So in simple terms, Paramount Plus equals live TV and streaming combo, while Peacock equals entertainment-focused streaming hub. Both platforms are part of a bigger shift where streaming services are slowly replacing traditional cable, but at a more flexible and often cheaper price. Now let us talk in details about the main features of each platform. For Paramount Plus, you get massive content library, yes, movies, TV shows, and originals from multiple networks. Live sports and events, which includes football, soccer competitions, and major events. Live TV channels, yes, you can stream CBS and other live programming. Original shows and exclusive. It has a strong focus on franchise-based content. And offline downloads, of course, on the premium version. Download shows and you can watch them offline. Overall, it's a solid all-in-one platform, especially if you enjoy sports and live content. How about the features of Peacock? Now here's what Peacock offers. Huge library of popular shows. It is strong in comedy, reality TV, and classic NBC content. Blockbuster movies and franchises. It includes major films and family-friendly content. Live sports, it covers football, wrestling, and international soccer. Live channels and events, it has a cable-like viewing experience. Affordable entry tier, one of the cheapest ways to start streaming is using Peacock. Peacock is perfect if you want familiar, easy to watch content. Now what is the pricing like? With Paramount, on average, there's an essential plan that's about $8.99 per month and a premium plan of about $13.99 per month. The premium plan removes most ads and adds features like the downloads and live TV access. And with Peacock, there's also a popular plan, which is the premium plan, monthly $10.99 per month. And if you want to do an annual payment, you get $109.99 per month. You get waived up 2 months. And the premium plus plan, at $16.99 per month and an annual plan of $169.99 per year. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Paramount Plus, has a strong mix of live TV and on-demand. It is great for sports fans, has a wide range of network content and a competitive pricing. And the pros of Peacock? A large library of recognizable shows. It is great for binge watching and a lower starting price also. It is also simple and user-friendly. How about the cons of Paramount? The interface can feel less polished, some ads remain even on premium, as some users have reported, and a smaller library compared to top-tier competitors. And the cons of Peacock? There are fewer standout original exclusives, and some content are locked behind higher tiers. There's also less depth in sports compared to Paramount Plus. So which one is actually worth your money? Well, here's the honest breakdown. If you want live sports, live TV, and a more complete cable-like experience, go with Paramount Plus. It gives you more flexibility in how you watch content, especially if you enjoy live programming and sports events. But if you want to relax and binge watch popular shows, movies, reality TV, Peacock is the better choice. And that's it on the review of Paramount Plus and Peacock. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Netflix, Disney Plus, and Amazon Prime Video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.